So for those of you that follow the channel, you know we have been using an Oura Gen 3 ring for a little while now, and we really wear it day in and day out unless it is sitting on the charger. Fast forward to a couple of days ago where they announced the 4th generation of the ring, and as of today, when this video goes live, the 4th generation is actually live and available for purchase. Comes with a slew of updates to it. A lot is software tweaks, but one of the best things that I'm looking forward to being fixed on this ring is not only is every generation completely circular, but those biometric readings, the actual stuff inside the ring that gets all of your measurements, are now flush with the ring itself. It doesn't protrude and give you some of those weird markings that you might be able to see here that your finger does get sometimes when wearing it if it's too tight fitting. So no more of these weird looking pulsing areas here. Everything's flush. So we're going to do a whole comparison between the Gen 3 and Gen 4 ring in a future video. Simple one for you guys today. I want to unbox it, show you a quick side-by-side, and actually just the experience overall. We know there's an app update that actually correlates with the new Gen 4 ring as well. It's going to be available to everyone, so we're not going to touch on that here either. Purely hardware. Let's jump into it. So before we open this up, I do want to show you what I was talking about. And as you can see on that white background, there are those 3 protruding sensors there that really did leave some level of discomfort, personally on my finger. You guys comment down below if you're familiar with it and had the same discomfort, but I was not a big fan, and unfortunately it's been like that for a little while now. And as you can see from the picture here alone, that is no longer the case. So pretty basic packaging. It tells you the size on the top right, what ring generation it is, everything common in the back. Obviously available for Apple iPhones and Android devices. A couple pull tabs on the side. Stealth is the colorway here shown on the bottom, but yeah, nothing much else to it. So let's go ahead and actually just pull these tabs and open this up. One other area I am somewhat excited yet disappointed at the same time on is the charging cradle. Unfortunately, it is not a charging case. It is just a much nicer looking dock. Now, as you can see right off the bat, here is that Stealth colorway. And if you are curious, side by side, the non-matte version, so the glossy black, this is exactly what it looks like now. So, totally up to you, going to be a personal preference on looks, but I do like this one. And right off the bat, I can tell you, holding it, the premium material here now being all titanium, no plastic, does make a difference and noticeable right off the bat. Oh yeah, I definitely like this feeling much better right from Jump Street. So let's set that to the side for now. And again, this nice all metal case here, or I should say charging cradle, is a much better premium feel and finish. You obviously have the plastic circular piece here to line up the sensors as you did before to charge. Let's see what else is in here. Looks like you're going to have a USB-C to USB-C charging cable, and it looks like your reading material. So, not too much else really in the packaging here. It's mainly going to come down to the actual ring. And I definitely like this look. You can see it has this little cutout to where to line it up on the charging case and where to position it on your finger, but what do you guys think of the Stealth colorway? It's a little more muted. It's actually got a hint of silver to it, more so than what I was assuming it to be more black, but I definitely like the way this looks. And hopefully you can see exactly what I was talking about sensor-wise on the inside of this watch here, now being flush, as opposed to what you had in last generations, where they clearly stuck out. So again, I'll throw an affiliate link up down below if you decide to get them. They're live everywhere right now. Best Buy, Amazon, Oura itself on their websites. If you want to go pick one up, we greatly appreciate you using that link. And I will also tell you though, the one downside, it's not mandatory, but to take advantage of all the features of these rings, you will need a subscription, unfortunately. That does run, I think, about $8 or $9 a month. So that is one thing I wish they would hurry up and get rid of. But unfortunately, that's something to consider with this purchase as well. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.